And we live, baby.
Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of iknowlee, and I'm here with my fiance, Nick, aka DJ Young Streets. And today he is going to do my voiceover.
Oh yeah, it's about to go down.
Yeah, this should be interesting. So let's go ahead and get started. I already did my makeup and the rest is up to him.
I got this, fellas.
Really?
And we're off. We on to the makeup tutorial. Alright, get that lotion on the face. You do not want a dry face when you applying makeup. The reason is, if you apply the makeup to a dry face, the makeup will crust up. And you don't want a crust up face. Your face is going to be looking crust up. You want your face to be looking smooth. Smooth, and real smooth. So, with that being said, you get the tones. You find your tone. Make sure your tone kind of match your face. And you blend it in a little bit. There you go. Ooh. You blend it in on all sides. You put the dots in the main parts of the face, like the cheekbone and the forehead. And then you put your Wakanda stripes on, cause it's Black Panther, baby. And you put it in the middle of your face because you want the brighter color in the middle, because when the sun hit, you know, it'll protect it. And then you want the shadows on the bottom, so it'll be darker, cause that's the darker spot. There you go. There you go, baby, blowing me kisses. And then from there, you just blend it all in. It's simple. It's that easy. You get that number 2 brush. That's the thick brush. And you make sure your brushes are soft, because you don't want no hard brush. The hard brush is scratching, you know what I'm saying? We don't have time for all that. You get the egg sponge. And the egg sponge, you just smooth it on in. See how that all blends in and comes together right there? There you go. Get all up in there. All up in it. All right, back to the number 2 brush. Blend it on in, blend it on in, blend it on in. Now, right now, it's gonna look all one color and one tone, but a little magical fingers right there. But this is just the beginning. This is just the foundation of something to come. That's what I'm calling it. The foundation of something beautiful to come. Because makeup is an art, and when you're doing your makeup, you have to have your own flavor and art to it. So we about to beat this face up. So right now, we about to get to the baking. We gotta get to the baking. Here we go. We baking it up. We baking it up on the bottom, baking it up on the top. All right. You gotta pick the tone. You bake it up on the left side, bake it up on the right side, bake it up on the top. Boom. Now the reason for this baking part right here is because it's not all one tone. You notice how the nose comes out a little bit, and the left side comes out a little bit, and the right side along the cheeks and the forehead. So it's kind of like you baked around the eye area a little bit. We're gonna get to the eyebrows right now. All right, you gotta fluctuate your eyebrows, make them look, stand out more, because you don't want your eyebrows to be the same tone as your makeup. That's not the goal. So to make that your eyebrows stand out, you put a lighter color under your eyebrows. That's gonna make your eyebrows pop even harder, especially for those people who don't have eyebrows. Now Lee, she got some eyebrows. All right, now it's time to cook. So you pick a palette out. Palettes come in different colors, different shapes. You pick the color that you like the most. That's gonna go with your little outfits. That's gonna go with your tone of what you're trying to do. We prefer the darker colors. So we're gonna go with the darker purple. The dark purple is going to set the tone of the whole face. You get the purple, you put it on both eyes, the bottom and the top. You have to use a small brush. You don't want to use no fat brush because the fat brush is just gonna mess everything else up. So you have to get into detail with the small brushes and use those. Alright, now it's time to continue to cook. So you laid down your foundation, you baked it. Now this part that we hold doing is called cooking because you're adding that flavor and that color to your whole makeup. Notice how she got the details. She got the eyes surrounded with the dark purple, and then everything under the eyebrows is that other tone color. Now you can't just have two tones going like sitting on top of each other like that. So what you got to do, blend it in. You got to stir it up and blend it in. It's called cooking, baby. It's cooking. So to make it all come together, you could get that tone that's under the eyebrows, put it in the corners of your eyes, so it kind of look like it's all coming together. Oh, she driving a boat, y'all. Oh, oh. Well, I know how it wasn't gonna be. Well, that's how you drive the boat. Anyways, back to cooking. So now we got to make this all come together. In order to do that, you got to put that tone, that glittery tone on it. Sharpen up the eyebrows. Don't forget the eyebrows. Sharpen them up. Sharpen them up. You want them to look all natural and good. Oh, that's that stuff. That's that stuff. So that spray right there, that makes everything stay in place. Because with Houston humidity, and your makeup will just fall right off right when you walk outside. And you don't want that. So you have to spray the spray on top of what you cook. Now, everything is ready. Dinner is served. Your face is beat. Oh wait, hold up. We got a little more action. We gotta get the dessert in. The dessert is what you do to your lips. Alright, first you pick a color for your lips. You apply that color both top and bottom. Then you put the shine on it. That's the drizzle. I call it the drizzle. You pucker your lip up, you pucker it up like you're about to kiss. And it's simple as that. It's easy. Now your face is really beat. Dinner is served with dessert. You fluff out your hair. You take some little cute pictures. Ooh, look at the eyes. Look at the lips. Look at the shine.
Okay. Okay, love. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. So rude. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I haven't heard the voiceover because like I said, we're recording this right now. So whatever happens in this video just happens. But I hope that you guys enjoy it. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, let me know how I did. You know, I want some good feedback. You know what I'm saying? All that stuff. All that good stuff.
Y'all heard it here first. You can definitely follow us on Instagram at DJ Young Streets, at iknowlee.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Them nice shoulders, huh? Nice shoulders.